Imagine the vibrant flavors of Mexico dancing on your taste buds. Let's mosey on into the kitchen, shall we? For this recipe, you'll need a pound of ground beef, 2 cups of shredded Mexican cheese blend, half a cup of tomato sauce, 1 large diced tomato, half a cup of sliced pickled jalapenos, and a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 2 large flour tortillas, 1 diced avocado, half a diced onion, a lime for juice, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Start off by cooking the ground beef over medium heat until it's nicely browned. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Next, take 1 large tortilla and place it on a baking sheet. Spread the tomato sauce evenly over the tortilla, leaving a small border for that perfect pizza look. Layer the cooked beef, sprinkle 1 cup of cheese, and scatter the diced tomatoes and jalapenos. Then place the second tortilla on top, cover it with the remaining cheese, and prepare for the melt and crisp that's about to happen. Pop your pizza into a 400-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and the edges are golden brown. Once out of the oven, it's time for the final touches. Top your pizza with fresh avocado, onion, and a sprinkle of cilantro. For that perfect zest, don't forget a squeeze of lime. And there you have it. Your authentic Mexican pizza is ready to be devoured. If this recipe tickled your taste buds, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious adventures. And why not comment below with your favorite toppings? Until next time, keep cooking.